Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm shooting with one of my favorite lenses, the 35mm. Why I love this lens? Because it's perfect for storytelling and street photography. And why do I say that? Come along with me on today's photo walk.
Kepala Elo di track Q.
Before we dive deeper into why the 35mm is so special, let's quickly understand what focal length really means on an APS-C camera. Like mine, I'm using Sony a6400, which has an APS-C sensor. That means the field of view isn't the same as putting the exact same 35 lens on full frame body. But here's the deal, Sony APS-C sensors have a 1.5x factor, so a 35mm lens on a a6400 give you roughly the same angle view as a 52.5mm lens on full frame. It's a bit tighter than a true 35mm on full frame, landing right in that classic normal perspective, super natural, not super wide, but still wide enough to capture context without any noticeable distortion. So why do I grab the 35mm lens every single day, whether I'm working or just shooting random daily life? Let me break it down for you, the reason that make this lens my absolute daily driver. The main reason I love it, it's perfect for storytelling. The perspective feels incredibly natural. It's wide enough to include the environment around your subject, showing where they are and what's going on, but not so wide that everything gets stretched or looks weird like it does with something like a 24mm. Your main person or object still looks completely normal, no weird facial distortion, and you can clearly see the background context. The lens basically helps you tell the whole story in one frame. The location, the action, the vibe of the place, it's like the camera is narrating the moment for you. For me personally, I love creating scenes that play with light or capture fleeting moments. With the 35mm, I can carefully choose exactly what elements I want in the frame, like dramatic light coming in from the side, the main subject, and just enough surroundings to set the mood. Everything stays clear and balanced. The background environment, the subject, the atmosphere, all working together without feeling forced. So, how do I actually use this lens and play with it effectively? You have to realize that even though the 35mm is wideish, It's not too wide, so it can still pick up a lot of distraction in a busy street or cluttered environments. So how do I fix that? I just play with composition. I force myself to be super deliberate. Before I press the shutter, I always ask myself, does every single thing in this frame help tell the story, or is it just clutter? I actively choose what stays in and what gets left out. Sometimes that means taking one step to the left or right, crouching down for a lower angle, or simply waiting a few seconds for the distraction to move out the way. On top of that, when I really want to clean things up and make the image feel calm and focused, I go minimalist. I use a lot of negative space. Negative space is the empty or open area around, between or within the subject of an image, design, or physical structure. It acts as breathing room that balances composition, reduces clutter, and directs focus toward the main subject, often enhancing visual storytelling, minimalism, and sophistication. In my opinion, the 35mm is straight up one of the best lenses you can own for photography. It's not going to be the perfect tool for every single genre. Like, if you are into super tight headshot portraits or crazy astro landscapes, maybe look elsewhere. But for everyday shooting, street, travel, environmental portraits, and especially storytelling, there's so much you can do with it. So that's why the 35mm has become my go-to storytelling lens. It's compact, it gives that natural perspective, it's super versatile, and once you master the composition, like being deliberate and using negative space, the distraction just disappear. What's your favorite focal length right now? Drop in the comments, tell me why, and if this video helped a little, smash the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you in the next video. Keep shooting. Bye bye.